LadyPerm.com back in the building, and look who I got. I found my girl, Yami K.
Got gummy bears.
The gummy game is, look, y'all motherfuckers need to step your gummy game up, because you don't got that super gummy game like TJ got that super gummy game. We got Metaphorical in the building.
What up, what up, what up?
And we got my girl Mags in the building. I didn't even get my hug.
No, you didn't. How you doing?
Look, oh my goodness, it's just getting deep up in here. Let's go. I think I saw Poker Face come in. So we're gonna find out where Poker Face went. Y'all follow me. We coming through. Just keep following me. Okay, he must be outside, so follow me. We're gonna go on a search.
You got your number one? Take my eyeball in there. Take that.
Real hip hop.
Look, July 11th. July 1-1.
I am Dapper Jai. July 1-1.
That 1-1. You put 1 and 1 together, you got peace. Everybody say what's up. Look, it's so cute. She's so dark. Look, if y'all missed last week from the Fortress, y'all better tune in, because you, along with DN3, were in the building doing it. And a great show, so you can go check that out on Super, radiosuper.com. Pulled it up from last week. And I think if I keep coming this way, boom, we got Iron Monk still in the building, and we got Poker Face came in the building. We got Poker Face on LadyPerm.com, LadyIEPURM.com.
What's happening, Lady Perm? What it do? Poker Face in the building. Shout out my man TJ Super Hype.
In here.
Radio Super. Of course, 101.1 the Beat Locker.
It's going down.
The Click Clack Boys. We doing it real big right now.
Twitter. Check him out on Twitter, Facebook, however. Find this man.
That's right. Facebook.com/.
You don't have this man on your media list, go play in traffic.
Hey, you heard her.
I hear some big things coming up.
Some big things coming up. We're about to do the 2-year anniversary of the Beat Locker. We're going to do a huge show. It's going to be legendary. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to drop a new one myself. Plus, I'm about to drop all my unreleased music over about the next 60 to 90 days. A lot of good stuff, man. A lot of stuff that I'm just on the verge with. I want to talk about so bad, but I don't want to jinx myself. Learn my lesson.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Shout out to world famous DJ Marvel.
Hey!
Oh!
Your man gonna be staying, keeping similar playing, trying to stay sucker free in the land of lollipops. It's me, world famous DJ Marvel. What it do?
Hey man, we like Batman and Batman in this motherfucker.
Ain't no robbing.
Ain't no robbing. Ain't no robbing. The only people doing the robbing is us.
And you heard it here on LadyPerm.com. I
Yes,
mean,
ma'am.
what can I say? Poker Face in the building. It's about to go wild.
Oh, it's about to get real serious.
It's about to get serious. So y'all stay tuned, and we're really gonna do. What happened?
Last year, this dude kicked the hardest shit.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, it was gay. Last year was crazy.
So we're gonna get a sequel?
You know why?
We gotta do better this year.
Poker Face relax and he don't try to do too much. He just sit there and rap to you. Like he's comfortable. This dude's comfortable on the mic. Period. That's all I gotta say. It's nice.
Look, shout out my man DJ Stu in the building. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, Perm?
We gotta have some good time.
Why he say what's up, Perm? Why he do this to Lady Perm? You know what? Fuck DJ Stu in the hit machine.
You ain't post my shit, Perm.
What the fuck you mean I didn't post? You know what? Excuse me, I gotta beat this nigga's ass. I'll be right back. LadyPerm.com. High salute.